To access apps on any computer or laptop that run on Windows 11, what you need to do is to take your cursor to this start button. All right, this is known as the start button. Click on it. On clicking on it, you will see some apps you recently accessed. Any app you access frequently will be on this side. This is what they call the stats section. Okay, you can see Edge, you can see Word, you can see Excel. Most times they are here because I access them frequently. Now, what of a situation whereby you have a specific app you want to access? All right, let's assume you're on the desktop like this. The first step is to click on this start. All right, when you click on this start, click into this search area which says search for apps, settings, and documents. So click there. Now let's say the app I want to access here, I want to open is Google Docs. I will type the name Google Docs because I have already installed it here. Okay, Google Docs. You will see it will show up, all right, online word processor. Once I click on it, it will open. Or let's say my interest here is to access Google Chrome. All right, it can be any app. Just type the name Google Chrome. All right, and it will show up in the search result as the best match. Clicking on it will open the app. So let me click here. You can see this app is open, so I can start browsing anything I want to browse from here. Okay, let me close it. Now, what if a situation whereby you want to see some apps and choose from the list? First, again, click on this start. On clicking on start, you will see this all button here. Click on all. So this will list all the apps you have on your computer that are installed on your on your laptop or computer in alphabetical order. You can take your cursor to this slider, all right? Just carefully take it to this slider until you choose fully, just as you can see right now. And start clicking on this arrow that goes down. Okay, you will see all the apps you have installed here: Firefox, Gimba, Get Help, and lots of them. So once you get to anyone you want to use, let's say it's map in this case, just click on the maps. Okay, so once you click on map, it will open and you start doing what you want to do. All right, so this is how you can access apps. Then, what are the situation whereby your interest is to access all the apps that are installed here, to see all the apps, not to open them, but to see all the apps that are installed on your Windows 11 PC. What you need to do first is to click on Start as well. So once you click on Start, settings is likely to be pinned here. But if you can find it here, inside this search here, click inside there and type settings. Okay, settings. All right, it will show up as a best match as well. Click on it. All right, this action right now has opened the settings page of this Windows laptop. All right, click on apps. Now you're taken to this section, advanced app settings, install apps. Click on this installed apps. So clicking on the install apps will list all the apps that are installed on your laptop or computer at that point in time. So you can see here it says that 51 apps found, meaning that I have installed 51 apps on this laptop that run on Windows 11. So if I scroll down this way, this slider will be made available, visible for me to see. I can keep on clicking until I see all the apps that are installed here. Maybe I want to remove any from here. I want to install any from there. Click on the three dots, click on uninstall. Or if you want to see the advanced options, click here and follow the on-screen guide to do what you want to do. Okay, but if you want to remove it, click on install, follow the on-screen guide and remove the app. So these are the steps you need to take to see or access apps on Windows 11 PC. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover mainly technology. So subscribe to grow in technology. Okay? Technology. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.